Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Silver Ice Metallic 2012 Chevrolet Sonic LT, stock number A6891. Starting right away up front, you can see this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in an Advanta tire that is a 15-inch. And inside there's a black cloth upholstery that's in fantastic condition with seating for 2 up front and seating for 3 in the second row. That makes this a 5-passenger Sonic. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you some extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. And then coming to the interior, you've got a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage is going to get you around 35 miles per gallon. This is equipped with traction control. And if you'd like to get more information on this Sonic or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.